this, the inverse cosine of the cosine of pi over 2 is just pi over 2. Evaluating here is, what is the cosine of pi over 2? What's the x-coordinate on the unit circle at pi over 2? So here's pi over 2. So it's 0, 1, right? So the cosine coordinate, the x-coordinate is 0. Well, what angle has a cosine of 0? Pi over 2. So that's really what it's asking you, right? So here, when you're looking at the inverse tan of the tangent of pi over 3, if I go into my unit circle, pi over 3 is right here. Pi over 3 is an x-coordinate of 1/2, a y-coordinate of root 3 over 2. Okay, so my tangent at this is root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which is just root 3. So what angle has a tangent of root 3? And the answer would be pi over 3, right? So this makes it easy. When you're finding values that lie within the domains that you are asked to identify. Okay, what's the inverse sine of the sine of pi over 4? What do you think that is? Pi over 4, right? Now, the only time those can be true is if the answer that you get from this form right here is in the domain of that original trig ratio.